How to fix missing or disappearing photos on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search gallery app. Click on gallery app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache gallery app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on Samsung folder and click on my files. So check your hidden files. After check hidden files, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so click on gallery app and click on menu and click on recycle bin. So after check recycle bin, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.